Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about TiddlyWiki and Obsidian, and I will help you in deciding which note-taking app is better in 2025. So let's go for TiddlyWiki. It is a self-contained HTML file-based wiki that lets you take notes, organize thoughts, and link topics in a customizable way. While Obsidian is a modern markdown-based app with backlinking, plugins, and local first storage for second-brain workflows. So let's compare both of them. Number 1. Customization. TiddlyWiki is infinitely customizable with macros and themes, while Obsidian has plugin support but focuses on usability. Number 2. Usability. Obsidian is more user-friendly out of the box, while TiddlyWiki has a learning curve but offers full control. Number 3. Portability. TiddlyWiki can run in any browser from a single file, while Obsidian needs installation but syncs across devices. Number 4. Their community. Obsidian has a huge community and plugin ecosystem, while TiddlyWiki has a passionate niche user base. So for final verdict, pick TiddlyWiki if you want complete control and portability, and choose Obsidian if you want a polished, extendable app with better mobile support. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.